morning and welcome to part 2 of my trip to SBH Maxorata Resort in Fuerteventura. Part 1 was the flight and landing, and then obviously a few bits of getting around the hotel, the pool, the scenery, the lighthouse, which is absolutely amazing. Do hope you have enjoyed it. So this video we will be looking at all the disabled amenities going around the resort, all the ramps, the lifts, access points, gym, the pools, etc. So I do hope you enjoy this video, and I will crack on. Also the disclaimers: the SBH Maxorata Resort in Fuerteventura, TUI, DJI and OM Systems will ask me to make this video. All opinions of man and ban alone and haven't been influenced anywhere. So let's get into the videos. This is pool 3 on tier 2. This is the pool that we come to the most. You've got a kids splash pool, and then 2, which is there's a bridge in the middle of them both, slopes, so if you're in a wheelchair using like me, you can go down the slopes and then into the pool. Absolutely fantastic design. The slopes are really gently sloped, so it's absolutely perfect for getting in and out of the pools. So I'll spin you around and I'll let you have a look. So here's the pool. It steps for normal, and then here's your ramp. And you can see straight in, not a problem. And then spin around. That's where we have our sun lounges. We always seem to have the bottom floor. And this is the main pool. This at the deep end's 1.7 metres. There's the steps again, and again this side has the ramp. Now this side does seem to have a longer rail banister, and so for those that do struggle with mobility, I'd say this one is the best one to get in, as it's got a longer slope and a longer handrail. And if I bring you down to the next level, then if you're disabled you can't get to this part, whereas you can see down the bottom the day beds do ask me, I think it's €15 for the day, but you do get use of the hot tub, and then that's your view out. So we'll crack on. I'll take you up to the tier 1 pool. That's where they do the water aerobics, and it's also the infinity pool as well. We're on the way as well. I'll show you all disabled access routes there is. It's absolutely phenomenal. Like I said, everywhere has slopes, everywhere has lifts. Everywhere you go is like this. You can get around. You've got all nice gardens outside, all dotted with like different cactuses, nice big trees. And then these flowers here are absolutely stunning. No idea what they are, like I said, I really don't know, so it's super. So this is the lounge area. Can come and sit. Still a lot of people sat here waiting, for when the thing is there. There's a little teaser to put movies on a night, and there's a bar right in the corner there as well. There's plugs around so you can charge your phones up and everything. That's the Tapas restaurant. You've got to book there on our windows every Saturday. For the following week you're allowed to go once. And then like I said, so that's the main. This is the main reception area. Absolutely beautiful, all glass. Lovely wood floors. So there's your reception part over there. Here you got big massive chest, kids area, ping pong, and then beautiful tree lined path down to the infinity pool, which is the top tier, well, the first tier I should say. The top tier is the rooftop terrace pool. People swim here till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night. It has been that warm. It's been like 40 odd degrees all week, but it's not the heat that sounds weird, that makes you sweat. It's the heat that really is just hot. But as you can see, if I zoom in there, as you can see, there's the infinity pool. Looking out all over. Hola.
Yeah.
This is your midday snack bar. So they do burgers, toasties, all your drinks, chips, pizza, everything on a morning, on an afternoon. So you can get food all day long. It's just absolutely, the food's really nice. Can't complain. As you can see, everything is ramped, or as you'll see in a minute, the lift. Again, a few little bit of arcade stuff for the teenagers. So this is where you come to get the other lift. So you've got all sun lounge here. Like I say, you're never ever short of sun lounges. You don't have to get up super early to make sure you get this sun lounger. You're guaranteed one every single time. So there you are. You can see the infinity pool on better. With the views over Atlantic. And then to your right hand side here, there's your gym. Looks pretty well stocked up for a gym wise. Looks really good. So this opportunity, thank you for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed this video being at the SBH Maxorata Resort about the disabled accessibility of getting around. So like I said, I do hope you enjoyed. Please do hit that subscribe and like notification bell at the bottom, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Cheers, out.